All right, and here go the second one. First of all, again, the box came in bubble wrap, and then they wrapped it again. If you see any damage on this box, I did it. Like, this wasn't like this. I did that. But I mean, you can see it's crystal clear on them edges. Look at them edges. Of course, the tag A1 in there. This hole. And it's hard to tell you, but the quality of this box is great. This little Jumpman, it's actually embedded into the box. There's good color on this thing. I don't even know if my camera doing it justice, but really, come on, man. Got it right. I'm just going right in. I wanted these a long time. Bruh. Everything is legit. The lace locks, got the J on them. These come off like they supposed to. Everything down there, everything stretched. The tongue stretched like it's supposed to. This little part down here, perfect. It don't cave in. They got the form protector in there. The bottoms is right, you know. The back, super A1. I mean, man, that's one. I mean, they both look the same. Ain't no different. Oh, they come with the black laces too. And y'all correct me if I'm wrong. I actually think the Jumpman's supposed to be black. Maybe not. I could be wrong. But man, look. Stop playing. Stop spending that $600 on shoes, man. Super good quality. I can't even really get in enough on that. A little glue around there, but we know we're not tripping. A1, shoe out. It's no problem. Look at that Air Jordan right there. Everything's good, baby. Don't be afraid. But I mean, everything the way it's supposed to be. You seen it yourself, man. Holla.